Guangdong Jiante CNC Equipment Company Limited was established in 2012. Its headquarters located in Jiaoan Town, Zhongshan City, Guangdong Province, China. It is a leading manufacturer of high-performance CNC machining centers. Jiante specializes in the R&D, design, production, and global sales of CNC machining centers, providing reliable, efficient, and stable machining solutions for various industries around the world. Jiante manufactures CNC drilling and tapping machines, CNC vertical machining centers, CNC horizontal machining centers, CNC gantry machining centers, CNC 5-axis machining centers. The core components of our machining center products are all from well-known domestic and foreign brands, to ensure the superior performance and stable operation of the machine tools. Jian always adheres to the principle of quality first, customer first. Good quality is the hard truth. In the face of increasingly fierce industry homogeneity competition, Jiante promises that it will never use low-quality equipment to participate in the competition. Our purpose is the same configuration, the price advantage. The same price configuration, the service is better than the peers. And we can provide quick response service at any time.